All right, this is a Hunter Castleton ceiling fan, and it is installed here in the living room of a house that my dad built actually several years ago. I've never actually seen it in person, and he took barely any pictures of it when he was building it either, so that's why I've never, this house has never like been in any of my slideshows or anything of his houses, and no videos of it, nothing. So yeah, this is anyway, first time I've seen it. So anyway, it's installed in the living room here, so I'll go ahead and here's the light. I believe these are 72 inches. I don't know. I'm going to test this real quick. I believe these are 4-speeded. If I remember correctly on these, but let me see. Maybe not. I've never seen this house before. It's a little sneak peek of it. Yeah, I think this is has like 2 low speeds, and then maybe it's spinning down. Let me see. Yeah, I was right. Okay, so here's the second speed. I was right. These are 4-speeded. I thought they were. I don't remember reading that somewhere. So this would be a kind of a regular low speed on any other fan, I guess. Well, maybe a little faster. It's like in between low and regular medium. That's about up to speed. Okay, here's medium, or maybe medium number 2 is probably what some would call it. That's about. All right, here's high. Yeah. One of the only 4-speeded fans I've ever done before. I did do that Casablanca at that other house that we built. That was 4-speeded. That I forgot what it was called, but it's one of my older videos. That was a 4-speeded fan, and then I don't think I've done one since, and then before I came across this one. There's a slight wobble to it. It's kind of hard to tell, though. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.